or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us start the class, okay? Good afternoon. I will be taking your first aid theory on physiology. Oh, sorry, on poisoning. Okay. So in the last class, poisoning, we have discussed about definition of poisoning. Then we have discussed the roots of taking poisoning. Then the mechanism of action of poisons. Then the general sign and symptoms. Now you write down number 1, acid poisoning. Number 1, you write down acid poisoning. Acid, ACID, acid poisoning. Acid poisoning. Acid poisoning. Then you write down below. Start with a bulletin. Give a dot and write suicidal or suicidal, SUICIDAL. SUICIDAL, suicidal or homicidal, HOMICIDAL, homicidal or accidental. Suicidal or homicidal or accidental, ACCIDENTAL. Suicidal or homicidal or accidental. Then the second bulletin you write, second dot below, you write down acids which are used are acids which are used are acids which are used are nitric, NITRIC. Acids which are used are nitric acid, okay, NITRIC, nitric. Then you write comma, sulfuric, SULPHURIC, sulfuric acid, SULPHURIC, sulfuric, comma, hydrochloric, HYDRO, hydrochloric, CHLORIC, HYDROCHLORIC, comma, oxalic, 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 comma, carbolic, 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 and acetic acids, acetic, acetic acids, ACIDS, and acetic acids. Okay, you can underline it, nitric, sulfuric, hydrochloric, carbolic, oxalic, acetic acids, you underline it. Okay, it can come as fill in the blanks or it can come as MCQs. Okay, it can come as 1 mark question, so just underline it. Then you write down the symptoms. SYMPTOMS, symptoms. Symptoms, number 1, write down burn on or around the lips. Burn on or around the lips, LIPS. Burn on or around the lips, LIPS, lips. Burn on or around the lips, LIPS, lips. Burn on or around the lips. Number 2, burning in the mouth, comma, burning in the mouth, comma, burning in the mouth, comma, throat, 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 and stomach, STOMACH, and stomach, often followed by heavy vomiting. Often followed by heavy vomiting. Then you write down The third point, intense thirst. Intense thirst. Intense thirst. Intense thirst. Then you write down. Number 2, you write. Number 2, alkali poisoning. Alkali poisoning. Alkali poisoning. The first bulletin below you write suicidal or accidental. Suicidal or accidental. Suicidal or accidental. Suicidal or accidental. Number second point you write down. Alkalis commonly used are alkalis, ALKALIS. Alkalis commonly used are alkali commonly used are ammonia, 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 comma, potassium hydroxide, potassium POTASSIUM, potassium hydroxide, 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 potassium hydroxide. Then and potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. And sodium, SODIUM, sodium hydroxide. Comma, detergents, 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 washing soda. Detergents, washing soda. Detergents means what? Detergents means surf, surf excel, Tide, all these are detergents, okay? Detergents, washing soda. So all these are alkalis, washing soda. Write down the symptoms, SYMPTOMS, symptoms. Write down the symptoms. Number 1, membranes of the mouth, membranes of the mouth, MOUTH, membranes of the mouth may be white and swollen, may be white and swollen, white, WHIT, may be white and swollen, SWOLLEN, swollen. That means inside the mouth, the membrane that are present might become white in color and it might also swell up, okay? Number 2, you write, there may be soapy appearance in the mouth. There may be soapy, SOAPY. Soapy means whenever you wash your hands with soap, there are bubbles and white coloration, okay, of the soap. So that soapy kind of appearance, the bubbles and whitish appearance will be present inside your mouth, okay. There may be soapy appearance in the mouth, MOUTH. There may be soapy appearance in the mouth. Whenever somebody tries to take in alkali, okay, that this poison might lead to the membranes of the mouth might become white in color and it might swell up, okay, and also there might be soapy appearance in the mouth. There might be some bubblish watery substance that might come out from the mouth because of the intake of alkali poison, okay. Now third point you write down, abdominal pain. Third point is abdominal pain. There will be pain in the abdomen, okay, in the stomach. Abdominal pain. Abdominal, abdominal pain, PAIN pain. Abdominal pain. Next, the last point you write down. Vomiting may contain blood and mucus. Vomiting may contain blood and mucus. Vomiting. VOMITING. Vomiting may contain blood and mucus. Vomiting may contain blood and mucus. Vomiting may contain blood and mucus. MUCUS, mucus. Okay. In vomiting, there will be presence of blood. Along with blood, there will be presence of mucus. Okay. Next, you write. You write down cannabis sativa. Third point, you write down cannabis sativa. Cannabis. CANNABIS. Cannabis sativa. SATIVA. CANNABIS. Cannabis sativa. Okay. So write down Majun. 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 These are the names of some of the cannabis. Okay. Cannabis sativa. Majun. MAJUN. Majun, Bhang. 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 Then your GANJA. Ganja. Are used as intoxicants. Are used as intoxicants. Are used as intoxicants. 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 Full stop. In large amount, it causes intoxication. In large amount, it causes intoxication. Whenever all these things are taken in large amount, okay, it will lead to intoxication of the person. Okay, and all these are not good. Okay, in large amount it causes intoxication. Write down symptoms. Symptoms, you write what will be the symptoms of intoxicated people. Write down symptoms. Number 1, excited. EXCITED. Mane means just like overexcited. Okay, excited for no reason. Excited. EXCITED. Excited or excitement. Excited or excitement. EXCITEMENT. Number 2, visual hallucination. Visual, VISUAL, visual hallucination. HALLUCINATION. Visual hallucination. Then you write, visual hallucination means what? The person will see things that are not present actually. Okay. He will just see ulta-fulta things. Next you write laughter, LAUGHTER, laughter. Laughter. Laughter, comma, euphoria. Euphoria, EUPHORIA, euphoria. Euphoria. Euphoria means what? The person will be overexcited and the person will be over happy, or else the person will be over happy. Mane intense happiness or intense excitement is known as euphoria. Okay, means there is no reason to get happy. It's a small thing, but the person will think it's a very big thing and he will get happy like anything. He will act like a mad person. Okay, and he will get excitement for small things. If you say something like, let us go out for having dinner, then he will get excited for no reason because there's nothing to get. Yes, it is like we always get excited when we go out with our friends. That is different thing. But excitement up to one level is known as normal, but when it exceeds, it is known as abnormal. Okay, so they will have intense kind of happiness and excitement. Okay, and they will laugh out loud with no reason, just like a mad people. That's like a mad person. Next, you write number 4. Marked increase in appetite. Marked, M-A-R-K-E-D, marked intense in appetite. If he is not a food lover, he will become a food lover. Okay, he will eat lots of food, lots of water, lots of junk food. Okay, the excitement for appetite will increase. He will eat lots. Okay, marked increase in appetite. Number 5, you write dilated pupil and deep sleep. Dilated pupil and deep sleep. Dilated pupil and deep sleep. Okay, deep sleep means he will sleep a lot. Okay, maybe at around 7 he slept, and morning till 12, 1, 2 he will sleep. Okay, he will sleep like anything because of these intoxicants that he is consuming. These are all drug addicts. Okay, it is very bad. You can see, I will show you this pupil dilation. Can you see this? Are you able to see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is dilated pupil. See the pupil, it becomes so much wide. It becomes quite open. Okay, it's not normal. Normally our eyes are like how it is. But the pupil becomes too much wide. Okay, it becomes dilated. Okay, because of all this narcotics consumption.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Next you
ma'am.
write down. Last point you write. In large dose, in large dose, in large dose, DOSC, in large dose, respiratory failure and death may occur. In large dose, respiratory failure and death may occur. Okay, his lungs will stop working, and when his lungs stop working, obviously he will not be able to breathe properly. His respiratory rate will decrease, because of which ultimate outcome is death of the person. Okay, so this is known as cannabis sativa. Next you write, Acha, you all please join the class again. Are you about join person? Please join the class again. Thank you.
Thank you.
ஆகும்